Hey everyone, welcome back to another awesome tutorial on my channel. Today, we're going to dive into Flutter and learn how to create both a login and sign up page from scratch. But before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Let's jump right in. We'll start by organizing our project structure. Create a folder named Pages, and within it, a file named login.dart. Inside login.dart, we'll create a stateless component and set it as the home page in our main.dart file. Back in the login.dart file, we'll use a scaffold widget to set up the basic structure. Add an app bar with the title Login and center it. For the body, we'll use a list view widget to ensure smooth scrolling. Now, to incorporate SVGs, we'll need to add an SVG package to our project. Head to the pubspec YAML file, add the package, create the Assets folder in Root folder, and update the Assets section to include the folder path where your SVGs are stored. Within the List View Children, use SVG Pictures Asset to display your SVG pictures with specified width and height. If you encounter any multidex errors during Flutter run, don't worry. Navigate to the Android folder, then App, and in the build.gradle file, set multidex enabled to true under default config. Once you've resolved any issues, run the app again. Now, let's fine-tune the SVG sizes and add text fields for email and password. Add the border style and hint text in input decoration. Wrap it with container widget for padding and margin, and then with column widget for alignment. Set obscure text to true for the password text field, and replace hint text with label text for better clarity. Enhance the visual appeal by changing the border style to underline input border. Create a row widget at the end. Now, let's incorporate a submission button. We'll use an elevated button wrapped within column for alignment. Set the main axis alignment and cross-axis alignment to center for column. Duplicate the button 3 times for different authentication options, arranging them in a row with appropriate alignment. Set the main axis alignment to space between and cross-axis alignment to center for row. Wrap the row with container and give it some padding by using an edge insets. Transform the buttons into icon buttons. Utilize FontAwesome Flutter package for icon options. Customize their appearance by applying colors, sizes. Wrap each button with container. Add border and shape in box decoration. For a sleek finish, add padding and border decoration. Add a bottom margin to the row container. Adjust the colors and styles of the buttons for better visibility. Add the background color and set to the material state proper.all and select the color. Change the color to light blue and foreground color to material state proper all and select white color. Modify the app bar title to match the theme. In title text style, add font size of 20, font weight of 800, and color of light blue dot accent. Lastly, add a row with text "Don't have an account yet" and text button at the bottom for users to navigate to the register page. Set the main axis alignment and cross-axis alignment to the center. Remove the margin and edit the padding in row container. Now create a file named register.dart. To enable navigation to the register page, type navigator.push and then material page root within the onPressed property of the register button, directing users to the registration page. In the register.dart file, replicate the scaffold widget and import the necessary components from the login page. Customize the title to register and change the SVG accordingly. Include additional text fields for username and confirm password. Modify the submission button text to register. To remove the back arrow icon from the app bar, set automatically ImplyLeading to false in both pages. and update the navigation destination to the login page. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating login and sign-up pages in Flutter. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting Flutter content. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!